I think then it's assignment. Yeah, we didn't do the assignment for that, sir.
Yes.
This is I think we're supposed to do this.
These are the definitions. Now, what are the questions? 4x square minus 8x by x square minus x. State and sketch all the asymptote for this. Okay. So should I do the first one and then so on you can do next one?
Yes, sir.
Just tell me what was the function.
Uh, 4x square minus 8x
Okay.
by x square minus x.
So first of all, let us simplify this. 4 will be common. X will be common. This will be x minus 2. In the denominator, x will be common and it will be x minus 1. Now, I told you that if we cancel x from numerator and denominator, that is possible only if this x is not equal to 0. So this is the whole. Okay.
Okay.
So x is equal to 0 is a whole. That means at this point, the function is not defined. Because numerator will become 0, denominator will become 0, and 0 by 0 is not defined. Now,
Yeah.
if we talk about horizontal asymptote, so what is an horizontal asymptote? So in order to find horizontal asymptote, first let us see vertical asymptote. So in order to find vertical asymptote, where does the function is not defined? So when x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1. That is the denominator is 0. So there the function is not defined. So it is a vertical asymptote. So this is one result. This is another result. Next one is horizontal asymptote. How do we get horizontal asymptote? If we have numerator and denominator of same degree, that is numerator is also of degree 1 and denominator is also of degree 1, then the coefficient of the highest degree term of the numerator, which will be 4, and divided by the coefficient of the highest degree term of the denominator, which is 1. So y is equal to 4 by 1, which means y is equal to 4 is the horizontal asymptote.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is oblique asymptote. So oblique asymptote is possible if the degree of the numerator is 1 more than the degree of the denominator. Then we get the oblique asymptote. Here it is not so. degree of the numerator is equal to degree of the denominator. Both is of 1 degree. Here, this is not the case. So here we will not get any oblique asymptote. So now if we draw the graph, what will we get is x is equal to 0 is a whole. So this is the whole. Whatever the value will be, there will be whole. That we will do later. What are the asymptotes? X is equal to 1. So this line x is equal to 1 is the vertical asymptote. And y is equal to 4 is the horizontal asymptote. And these are the x-axis and y-axis. And then we have the graph. So if we draw the graph, we will get, let us see the intercept also. Or do they ask only the asymptotes? What is the question? Do we have to draw the graph also?
State and sketch all the asymptotes. So I think yeah, we should draw the graph. No, I think it's just the asymptotes, not the graph.
Okay, so these are the asymptotes. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
in that case, we can say that x is equal to 1 is the vertical asymptote, y is equal to 4 is the horizontal asymptote, and 0 is a whole. So even if we want to draw the graph, there is nothing difficult in that, because we have y is equal to 4x minus 2 by x minus 1. So y is equal to 4x minus 2 by x minus 1. So when we find the x-intercept, we will put y is equal to 0 and we'll get x is equal to 4. At x is equal to 4, we find the intercept, and y-intercept we put x is equal to 0 and it will be y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 will be somewhere here on y-axis. So graph will go like this, that from the right of 1 it is minus infinity. Yeah, go like this. X is y equal to 0, x is 2 actually, sorry. I did a small mistake here. X is 2, fully mistake. This is 2. Graph goes like this. And here, the graph goes like this. But here it is a hole. This point is a hole. So we'll draw it like this. It goes like this. And here it is a hole. Then it goes like this. This is the asymptote. So if you draw the asymptote in this manner, it is something like this. It is like this. And the horizontal one is, let me draw it by different color. This is so light. So this is the red color graph which we are getting here. So you can start writing it from here.
So can you scroll down?
This vertical asymptote you have written now.
Done, sir.
This last one also you should write.
Done, sir.
This next one and next to that, would you like to try?
Yes, sir. Sir, first, I think um, I can we cancel x-1 and x-1 because I took two common.
When you cancel it, what you have to keep in mind? What you have to keep in mind while cancelling? Above also we cancelled x na in above question. So what we said that when is it possible?
When it's outside,
When x minus 1 is not 0. That is x is not equal to 1.
yeah.
Okay. So you can write it just 2, but x is not equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is a whole. Now keeping in mind, you have to draw the graph. So y is equal to 2. This is simply y is equal to 2. What type of line is this? This is a line which is parallel to x-axis at a distance 2. It is constant. Only at 1, it will have a hole. And otherwise, it is a straight line parallel to x-axis at a distance 2 from it. So it will intersect anywhere at the y-axis at 0, 2.
Okay.
This is the one. Except you can't take it at 1. Here there is no asymptote anywhere.
Need answer.
Yes, you can try this, Sathya.
Yes, sir. Sir, sir, I got x minus 4 by x minus 3.
X minus 4 by x minus 3. So you cancelled x plus 4.
Yeah.
So when you cancel x plus 4, what you have to keep in mind?
Uh, is it the 0 denominator equals 0?
No, if you're cancelling x plus 4 in the numerator and denominator, so the common term which is getting cancelled should not be equal to 0, right? So x should not be equal to
Should not be equal to 1.
1, 5. We
Or
have
x should not be equal to 3.
y 3. What it is given? What is the question?
X square minus 16 by x square plus x minus 12.
So you have factorized it as x minus 4 into x plus 4. This we have been doing for so long. Today also we have done 2 questions. And we are not getting this basic thing, then how will this work? So here you are saying you are cancelling x plus 4. So what you have to keep in mind while cancelling x plus 4? Can you just cancel them or you have to put some condition also? You can see above 2 questions. What have we done while cancelling the common term?
We should write x is not equal to 1. And the other one is
1 is just a value there. Now, why it is 1? What is the reason 1? Well, everywhere it will not be 1.
so over here x is not equal to 4
Why x is not equal to 4?
because in the numerator it's 4 minus 4,
Then what happens? It will give you 0.
then it will be the numerator denominator x is not
So
equal to
that
3.
is about the asymptote. When we are cancelling, we are not touching these two terms. We are simply cancelling x plus 4. So when we cancel two terms, one from numerator and another from denominator, what we have to do?
Uh,
I won't proceed if you will not tell the correct answer.
is it do we equate the denominator as 0?
No, the common term which is getting cancelled should not be equal to 0. What it means?
So x plus 4 should not be equal to 0.
Okay, so x should not be equal to
4
4 or
minus 4.
minus 4. So it is x minus 4 by x minus 3 if x is not equal to minus 4. So first of all, x is equal to minus 4 is a whole because x is not equal to minus 4 is given here. So x is equal to minus 4 is a whole. There we can't get any value. Now proceed for vertical and horizontal asymptote.
Okay. So for vertical asymptote x equals 3.
Yes, vertical asymptote x is equal to 3. Now horizontal asymptote. I'm coming in a minute.
Okay, sir. The horizontal asymptote is 4. So
4 means, what do you mean by 4? Y
equals
equal
4.
to 4.
Yeah, y equals 4.
No, how do we get horizontal asymptote? If the degree of numerator and degree of denominator are equal, then we take y is equal to the coefficient of the highest degree term of the numerator, which is 1 here, and coefficient of the highest degree term of the denominator here, which is also 1. So it is 1 by 1, so y is equal to 1. This we did earlier, no? It was like this there, that if we have ax to the power n, so on, and here bx to the power n, so on, y is equal to this. So we take the horizontal asymptote as y is equal to a by b.
Okay.
This was in a slide. Now, can you draw the graph? It does not have oblique asymptote. Can you tell me why?
Because
What is the condition for oblique asymptote? Just now I have written the degree of numerator is equal to degree of denominator plus 1. Here it is not so. Degree of numerator is 1, degree of denominator is 1. So both are 1.
okay.
Now, have you drawn the graph?
Yes, sir. X minus 4 has a whole, right?
Also find the x-intercept and y-intercept. So it will be easier to draw the graph. You find y is equal to x minus 4 by x minus 3. Can you tell me what will be the x-intercept and what will be the y-intercept?
So where is the whole?
Sorry,
Where is the whole? Isn't it at minus 4?
yeah, minus 4 is the whole. But what is the x-intercept?
It'll be 3, right?
Why it will be 3? How do you get x-intercept?
It's the vertical asymptote.
X-intercept I'm talking about. So I was just speaking all those times and you were just nodding your head. So you should have asked, na? You didn't understand. If x-intercept I'm asking, then how will you find x-intercept? What you have to do, you have to put y is equal to 0. And what x will you get? When you put y is equal to 0, what is the value of x you will get? Won't it be 4? If you put y as 0, x minus 4 by x minus 3, so x minus 4 will be 0, which means x is equal to 4.
Yeah, yes, sir.
And when you find y-intercept, you put x is equal to 0. When you put x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 4 by 3. Is it so?
Yeah.
Now, if we draw the graph, we have the whole minus 4. We have vertical asymptote x equal to 3. We have horizontal asymptote y is equal to 1. So, y is equal to 1. Horizontal asymptote x is equal to 3. Vertical asymptote, this is the x-axis, this is origin, this is the y-axis, and intercept are x is equal to 4, x-intercept, and y-intercept is 4 by 3, which is here, and x is equal to minus 4 is a whole. So keep in mind, when you will draw the graph, you will make x is equal to minus 4 as a whole. So now when you will draw the graph, it would be something like this, because we know that these lines, blue and intercept like this. One thing which we have to do finally here is that we have to take x is equal to minus 4 a whole. It will go, if this is minus 4, it will be a whole like this. So the final
Okay.
will be this, this is a whole like this.
Okay. So done, sure.
Okay. So one more question was there, no?
Yes, sir.
What is that? Would you like to try?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll try.
X square minus 16 by x minus 4. Okay. So here there is, let me tell you, there is a vertical asymptote. No, there is no vertical asymptote. There is no horizontal asymptote. There is only oblique asymptote.
Okay.
And there is a hole.
So we'll only get x plus 4, right?
Yeah, we get x plus 4, but what will be the hole?
Whole is uh, X is not equal to -4, so +4.
+4. X is not equal to +4 because we are cancelling x minus 4. So x minus 4 should not be equal to 0. So x should not be equal to +4. So that is fine. X is not equal to +4. And can you find the oblique asymptote? So here, what is happening? Let me just tell you because this is of oblique asymptote.
The degree of the numerator equals the degree of the denominator plus 1.
Yes, that is why it is a oblique asymptote. So y is equal to x square minus 16 by x minus 4 you have got, and then you are writing it as x plus 4 if x is not equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 is a whole. That is fine. Now the degree of numerator is 1 and degree of denominator is 0. There is nothing in the denominator. 1 more than the denominator. So here there is no horizontal vertical asymptote. There is no vertical asymptote because there is nothing in the denominator which will make it undefined. So no. Horizontal asymptote also no, because degree of numerator is not same as degree of denominator. Oblique asymptote, yes, and that will be simply y is equal to x plus 4. If you remember what we used to do, like px by qx is there. So we divide px by qx and we get a quotient gx, and that is the oblique asymptote. Here it is very simple. Qx is 1. So when you will divide, you will get x plus 4 only. So this is the oblique asymptote itself. You don't have to at all divide. It is already divided because there is 1 in the denominator. Now when you will see the x-intercept and y-intercept, so x-intercept you will put y0. So when you put y0, you will get x is equal to -4, and y-intercept you will put x0, y is equal to 4. Now if you draw the graph, till here it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So y is equal to x plus 4 is the oblique asymptote. So y is equal to x plus 4 will be a line which will be like this. And x equal to -4 is here. Y is equal to 4 is here. Where this is intersecting it. Mm. So this is just the graph y equal to x plus 4. And you have to write a whole also. So x is equal to 4 is a whole. So one final thing you have to do, that at x is equal to 4, you take a whole. So that's 4. Just all the things are fine. This is 4, this is -4. So this is the graph, it is a slanted line. So the oblique asymptote itself is the graph. Only thing is that there is a hole.
Okay, sir.
So today is 1 hour class, no? You said
Praise
yesterday.
1 hour, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow,
Tomorrow, I think it's also 1 hour. Tell me.
your board is the exam is also going to start now.
It will start on 24th, sir.
Okay. So, but also do some revision of whatever you are doing in this course, because if you will not do the revision now, you'll be forgetting everything.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I will. Yeah, answer.
Okay. So